The owner's son of this 90 has a bit of a difficulty with his poor old legs and getting around. So the owner's asked me, can I put an extra step onto this NAS Spec 90? Now, it's already got a step bumper, but it's still a little bit high. So he purchased a regular step. But can I get it to fit? Let's have a look and show you. That would be perhaps one of the original mounting bolts. Over here, we've got the step on, and we've got all this lot here. And there ain't a great deal of room to put it on. So I think with a bit of engineering, I think I can get it to fit. But, of course, it's got a tube on here. That means taking the whole bloody bumper apart again. So anyway, what I'm going to do is strip this down. See, there's a bolt in there. This tube here is tapped. Take this spring off because it's really, hard to work against the spring. Then we can take this apart, slip one through there, then we can see where we're splodging. All right, this is going to be quite a challenge, and I'll have to ask the owner. I've tried up the step. We might be able to get it approximately in place, but it certainly isn't going to fold, that's for sure, because it's jammed. It's jammed between this tube here and the tube at the back. I can get the bracket in, sort of. How did I have it before? That's frustrating. I've got to cut that. I've got to cut this tang off here. Yeah, I've got to cut that off because that used to slip behind the back of the cross member, sort of on the square bit here, and that doesn't exist anymore. And also, once I've done that, the hole, we're going to have to cut this right back here to allow for this bolt to go through. And by putting some spacers under here, we can drop this down so it's the same level. That's not a problem. But there's going to be an awful lot of cutting and welding. And the thing is, once I get it on, like I say, it's not going to move. But there again, you might not want it to move. You just might want to step a bit lower. So we'll put this section on pause until I get in touch with him. And then he can see this video. I'll put it up. This will be part 1. And then we'll see what he decides to do.